Welcome, young historians, to our brief investigation into French philosopher and early political scientist Alexis de Tocqueville and his influential work, Democracy in America. In this video, we will explore the life and ideas of Alexis de Tocqueville, the significance of his work, and the unique perspective he brought to American democracy and society in the 19th century. Alexis de Tocqueville was a French political thinker who visited the United States in the 1830s. His observations and insights during his travels resulted in the seminal work, Democracy in America, which has since become a cornerstone of political and sociological literature. Tocqueville's work has had a profound influence on American political and societal behavior due to his keen observations and analysis of American democracy and society. He saw American democracy as a unique and exceptional system, distinct from that of Europe at the time, which he observed as American exceptionalism. Tocqueville took intensive notes throughout his travels along America's eastern seaboard and even into parts of the American South and Midwest. These notes would later be published in a book called Democracy in America. And even today, almost 2 centuries since Tocqueville's brief visit to what was at that time a truly infant nation, his observations greatly impact the work of historians, political scientists, philosophers, and social scientists around the world. So why was his work so impactful? It all lies in the unique values that Tocqueville saw in Americans as compared to those of citizens in his native France and all over the rest of Western Europe at the time. Tocqueville identified 5 key values crucial to America's success as a constitutional republic: liberty, egalitarianism, individualism, populism, and laissez-faire. These values reflected the essence of American society and government, setting it apart from its European counterparts. Liberty was a fundamental value observed by Tocqueville, emphasizing the importance of personal freedoms, independence, and the ability to make individual choices. This value allowed Americans to express their opinions, practice their religion, and pursue their own happiness, reflecting a society that valued individual rights and self-determination. Egalitarianism, meaning people are rewarded and can achieve not on their birthright or family wealth, but on their ability to attain their wealth through hard work, dedication, and skill, was yet another value highlighted by Tocqueville that showcased the absence of social ranks in America. People were not judged based on their social status or wealth, but were valued for their character and abilities. This allowed for equal opportunities and the pursuit of dreams, fostering a society that valued equality and meritocracy. Individualism was a key aspect of American society observed by Tocqueville. He noticed that Americans placed a strong emphasis on personal freedoms and independence, reflecting a society that valued individual rights and self-reliance. This value allowed people to live their lives according to their own beliefs and desires, contributing to a society that celebrated individual autonomy. Populism, another word to describe popular sovereignty and democratic participation, was another value identified by Tocqueville, reflecting the belief in the power of the people and government by the people. Americans had the right to vote and participate in the political process, allowing citizens input in how their country was governed. This value emphasized the active involvement of citizens in governance, reflecting a society that valued democratic participation and representation. Laissez-faire, the final value highlighted by Tocqueville, emphasized the minimal interference of the government in economic affairs. This value reflected a society that valued free market principles and individual enterprise, allowing for economic freedom and entrepreneurship. So why was the work of Alexis de Tocqueville and his book Democracy in America such an important influence on American political and societal behavior? It's because of the truly insightful observations of American democracy and society as recorded and recounted by someone who was looking from the outside of American society through the lens of traditional European culture and thought. His identification of the 5 key values crucial to America's success as a constitutional republic provides a deep understanding of American exceptionalism and the unique nature of American society and government.